Hi there, this is Paul Michael Nagalio, also known as Nico, and today I'm going to discuss the health assessment of the integumentary system, more specifically, the nails. Before we discuss the assessment of the nails, we must have a history taking first. Always remember that. Always ask your patient if he or she has a history of skin problem or nail problem, any infections, diseases, or if there's any artificial enhancement with the nails or any birthmarks or tattoos that can be found. That's essential. Always ask also if the patient noticed any nail changes or if their nails are brittle, dry, or if there's any abnormalities that they can notice. This is important for us to have a basis before doing the assessment. Explain to the patient that you are going to check his or her nails to gain his or her cooperation when doing the said procedure. In this assessment, we only need to use inspection and palpation. Now let's move on now to the health assessment of the nails. First, we must inspect for grooming and cleanliness.
Patient with poorly groomed nails may suggest a self-care deficit problem. Nails that appear bitten may indicate a nervous habit. Also inspect tissues surrounding nails. Abnormalities like hangnails and inflammation of the surrounding tissues, also known as paronychia, might be present.
Inspect nail surfaces for its smoothness.
Excessive thickness or thinness or presence of grooves or furrows and bruised lines are abnormal.
Note grooves, depression, pitting, and ridges. Then you must inspect and palpate the nails for shape and contour. Then you must inspect the nail base angle, which is constituted by the angle of the proximal nail fold and the nail plate.
Never forget to inspect fingernail and toenail bed color as well. A pinkish color is normal. Dark-skinned clients may have brown or black pigmentation and longitudinal streaks. Bluish or purple tint may reflect cyanosis. Pallor may reflect poor arterial circulation.
Next, we must assess the nails for nail clubbing by performing the Schumach test. Clubbing is when the angle of the nail is more than 160 degrees. This occurs with hypoxia over a long period of time. Normal nails should create a diamond-shaped opening at the nail beds. When there's nail clubbing, it won't create that shape. Instead, it will create a V shape. Next, we have to perform the capillary nail refill test. Always remember that the normal capillary nail refill test time is less than 3 seconds.
Delayed return of pink or usual color may indicate circulatory impairment.
So that's it. That's the health assessment of the nails. I hope you learned something from this video. Always remember that as nurses, we are at the forefront of health assessment in order for us to help our doctors diagnose accurately the disease of our patient. This has been Paul Michael Nagalio, also known as Nico. Always stay safe and see you next time. Bye-bye.